Good afternoon. I'm Mpanza, Chief Director responsible for KITO and EMIS from DPE. We came here with the team from EMIS in the province to hand over 7 laptops and boxes of papers to assist those schools that were affected by floods. So there were 630 schools that were identified by the team in KZN as those that were affected by floods. So the minister established a task team at DPE to coordinate assistance to those schools. So we identified a number of areas like your ECD, your school infrastructure, your finance, your e-administration, QLTC, finance, I think finance as well was part of that, and psychosocial services and school nutrition. Those are the areas that we've been working closely with the province to support those schools that were affected by floods. And also e-administration, the reconstruction of school records that were destroyed by floods was one of the streams that were identified. So today we're addressing especially those schools that were whose records were destroyed, including the laptops, especially for the administration or for SSMs.